and how to frame sentences looking at a picture. How are we doing all these days? So for that, what did we do? We just look at the picture. We see what the picture is about, right? We see, what do we see in the picture? We see what are all the things that are there in the picture. We also see who are all the people that are there in the picture, right? And we also see what is actually happening in the picture and who is doing what, right? We see all these things and then we frame sentences, correct? So if we see this picture, I see a park in the picture, right? I see a few children playing in the park. There is a boy who is playing football. There is a boy behind the tree. The girl is doing skipping. Two boys are on seesaw. There is a big tree in the park. There are two big trees outside the park, right? There is a small boy in the park in the picture. He's holding a ball in the hand and there are a few toys beside him, right? So by seeing the picture, we are framing sentences. By seeing what are all the things, who are all the people, what are they doing actually. So I see, and then we are able to frame sentences like this. Read this. I see a park in the picture. There are 6 boys and a girl playing in the park. If you want to write it clearly, you can, instead of saying children, you can write even like this. There are 6 boys and a girl, like that. 2 boys are on the seesaw, a girl is skipping. There is a big tree in the park and 2 trees outside the park. If you want, you can add, more sentences to this. Like, there is a small boy here, he's holding a ball in his hand. There is a boy behind the tree. All these things you can add. So all these are the sentences we framed using, by seeing the picture. What are we learning today? We are going to learn to frame sentences using a guideline called I see, I think. What is the guideline? I see, I think. So let us just see how to write. So let us take the same picture again. So all these are the sentences that we could frame using I see. Now let us try to frame a few more sentences using I think. Right? Okay, now how to frame sentences using I think? Even for this, we should look at the picture critically, carefully. We should also think about the timing of the picture, or we can look at the facial expressions of different people. What are they thinking, right? And also we can, what is the event? What is the thing overall is happening in the picture? So all these things we should think and we should put our thoughts in the form of sentences. That's it. So for example, if we are going to frame a few sentences using I think for this picture, let us see. What do I think? I will tell you. You listen and understand, okay? I think it is evening. By looking at this picture, I think it is evening. But nowhere in the picture it is written that it is evening. There is no clock, okay? The sky is still clear. Right, it is bright, the picture is bright, so I think it is still evening. You know what my friend thinks looking at this picture? She said that she thinks it is Saturday morning. Right? It can be Sunday morning also, it can be Saturday evening, Sunday evening. So it is all our thoughts. Thoughts can be same or different. I think in a way and you may think it in a different way. Some other person can think it in a different way. Thoughts can be same or different. I think it is evening. What do you think? Do you think it is Saturday morning? It can happen, right? It also can be the case. So, and I also think looking at this boy as he is standing just beside this girl, okay? I think he's waiting for his turn to do skipping. You know what my friend is thinking? She said that she thinks this boy is counting the number of skips that she is doing. So she thinks that he is counting the skips. I think that he is waiting for his turn. There is no question of right and wrong, right? They're all our thoughts. And I also think as there are no adults in the picture, I think all these children, they stay just next to the park. They stay very near to the park. So that is why they might have come by themselves to the park. So that is why I think they stay very near to the park, maybe just next to the park. But you know what my friend said? She thinks that this park is there inside their apartment compound. That also can happen, right? A few apartment compounds, they have parks also inside the compound. So she thinks that this park is inside the apartment compound. That is why children, they come alone and they go alone. So that is why her thought is that, and my thought is they stay just next to the park. Thoughts can be same or different, but when it comes to seeing, so whoever sees it, even if I look at this picture, you look at this picture, or my friend looks at this picture, we all see the same things, but we think differently, right? So when we frame sentences for I think, see, I think it is evening. I think the boy is waiting for his turn, this boy. And I think the children stay nearby as I don't see any adults in the picture. Right? And what my friend is thinking? She thinks it is a weekend. And she thinks he is counting the skips that she is doing. And she thinks the park is inside the apartment compound. Right? It can be anything. And now you think, what do you think about this picture?